All right, our Helping Hands Network Learning Center in Hawkins is fully open and underway, so we're moving on to our next project. This series is going to introduce a camper that we've purchased, and we're going to remodel it and turn it into a mobile office, which will then lead to some announcements of some bigger and better projects that we're getting ready to introduce to you guys. So follow this series and enjoy. All right, camper remodel day one. We have holes in the ceiling that have caused extensive water damage. Certain areas of the floor. Water puddled here on the bed. Each vent seal needs to be replaced. Curtains are moldy, everything, some floor damage. All the curtains need to be thrown away. Pretty much everything fabric in here. Furniture will need to be replaced and thrown out. Ceiling needs to be rebuilt. Floor by the bathroom is rotten. And of course I wanted to start working on the ceiling or on the roof today, and it just had to rain on me. So we're waiting for the rain to stop before we can even seal it up. You see there's water damage behind this wall here, bubbling up. We have a lot of work to do. So let's get started. Doesn't look like it's leaking in the bathroom vent, at least. But we have a lot of repairs and a lot of mildew to get rid of. A lot of cleaning. All right. All right, so we're up here on the roof, and the first step is to scrape it and scrub it. So that's what we're doing right now. A tree branch had fallen here at some point, and there's a few punctures like this one, and a couple where these pieces of wood are. I have some cardboard underneath there to stop the water from pouring in there, at least until I can get them sealed up. And then once this is dry and it's not raining outside, hopefully tomorrow, we'll come back and get it all patched and sealed up, redo this whole roof. It's a time-consuming project. All right, today we're prepping to put a new layer of roofing down. Got to finish scraping. In this area here in particular, branches caused several holes of damage that we'll be patching here. And for the patches or the holes, go and get yourself 75 feet of rolled window flashing for only about $14. If you buy specialty roof patching rolls, like Gorilla tape and stuff like that, you'll get 5 or 10 feet for $14. So window flashing, 75 linear feet by 4 inch. Give it another little scraper brush. Give it another little scrape down. Find my scraper brush way over here. Another little once over. Make sure you're all sticky as possible on there. And now on holes higher up, you want to get more of your flash or your patch higher up with gravity. So do 3/4 above the hole. It just gives it, you want to get as much more coverage uphill of your holes to minimize any chance that any droplets of water can get in there. And then roll it out again. And you want to have a piece of plywood up on the roof with you. Hold your body weight. So you want to distribute your weight across as much of the rolled roofing as you can to prevent further damage. I'm ready to move my ladder and keep going. Making progress, getting close. Got a coat and a half. Ran out of the rubber coatings, so we'll have to go get a little more tomorrow. You can see where it's laid on thin. I didn't record the final few days, but here's a couple still shots that showed the final rubber roofing finish work, and then after that we also added 2 layers of a clear coat protectant. Thanks for following our new series on the camper remodel. Join us next time as we begin to do the ceiling and framing repairs and put on some new beadboard and lighting. Don't forget to click the like and share and subscribe. All right. All right. It's time to cover it up. All right, let's check it out.